morning everybody, I'm out again. Out on an explore with another explorer. I'll introduce you to him in a minute. Penny Lane Station, was it?
It is, yeah. Shut down in the 1920s, maybe early 30s.
We're actually standing on the platform here now. This is Lewis, who I'm out with today, so Lewis, I'll leave a link in the description below for his Facebook page.
Plenty going on there, always.
We just come up and have a little look now before we move on to where we're going on that. Just thought I'd show you this. The station used to be down there where I'm walls. So we're going on a little adventure to see if we can try and find some places for us to get into, got some tunnels and that, and see what we can get. Looking forward to it. Just going to take some photos around here now, and then move on up to the other place. Yeah, so good to be back out, proper explore. So I'll speak to you when we get to the other place. There's not really much to see here. You know, I'm actually standing on the platform, that's about it. So I'll see you when we get to the other place in a bit.
Said I've not got enough of this place of me for myself. Careful with your head to the ceiling.
Ceilings. Right everybody, we're at our next place. We've just got into it now. We'll have a little look around here. Wow, look at the lights up with it. Little room. And the old... I was actually meant to be coming down here with my uncle Nick, but we were passing. We were all going, wow, look at that. Let's look at this one. Wow. Look at the way the ceilings are all round, see? And a metal thingy going across the top of there. Hey, look at the floor, the cobble floor. Some type of little round tunnel thing. He's been bricked in and bricked up from the other side. But look at the arches. Wow. Oh, that's what's important. And now, look at the old drums. And that is actually I think that's actually one of the furnaces. Yeah, see. Oh yeah, it's rotten in here. Very rusty. Look at that big chain thingy. Wow. Yeah, I'll put some history up on my channel before I put this up. We usually got a bit longer out there, that's a bit dangerous, isn't it? And of course in a place like this, because this is trade listed, and I know there's a group looking after it now. Wow, look at that. So, anybody from the group sees us, we're not here to cause damage, graffiti, pee in corners, smash things up, there's none of that. The fence was accessible, so I'm not breaking in. I would love to come up here and volunteer to help you out with this place. I really would. Just brilliant. Look at that corridor though. Wow. I have got to get my other light out. That's just... wow. Let me just stick it here in a minute. I'm just going to get my light out, the light out. Let's put you there. See anything, Shell? Little stairs down the bottom. Wow. Now Lewis has said to me I've got to be very careful when I'm walking in here because there's holes and I've spotted one over there. Just brilliant. But the ceiling's just really good. See the way there? It's all brick floor and everything. I think that's the holes Lewis was talking about. Nice. Look at the little stairs. The window. Brickwork in here is just fantastic. So good. Right, upstairs. A big door, looking out for a door.
Half of the old conveyor belt here.
Is he?
That used to be in the other tunnel next to us.
Yeah.
Nearly ripped it out.
That's just brilliant in here though. Right everybody, we should get a few photos, let's keep going. Back up there, look at that. Wow. Right, look, should I walk?
Ah, right, no, sorry, it's here. I've walked straight past it. I thought they'd ripped it out, the conveyor belt.
Is it still there?
Aye.
Wow, look at that tunnel.
100 years old at least, this.
Ah, just cracker.
Original material still on it now.
Go on this way, there's that debris there. And this is actually back out. There's the building from the building on the outside. Right, let's keep going. I've got to get underneath all this stuff here now, everybody. Yeah, you know me. Wow, look at the beams.
There's some more on top, but this place ain't going to survive too much longer.
No, it's falling to pieces. I mean, it's in a bad way.
We've got too much work. All the RSJs need ripping out to replace it.
That there, everybody, is part of the old conveyor belt, or a conveyor belt. Oh, look at that tunnel. It's in there. Look at all the rust up there. That's how old this place is. Yeah, gotta be careful where you're walking, because you don't look like an ankle in there. Very easy. I don't think. Wow. I think these might have been the oven. These are the ovens, weren't they? Crackers. Wow. You go through this way. Yeah, this is just dead end, this one. But look at it. You can see the glass on the wall. And it just turns down there for you. You can actually see this is bits of glass actually in the wall. But this is where they used to do the glass. You can actually see it in the actual brickwork. That is all glass, everybody. Great stuff. Wow. Get back down. Walk down here again. Oh, look at that ceiling. Wow. Even up here you can see there's glass, ow, that's sharp, stuck to the brickwork. Fascinating. Look at that.
Sorry, out exploring with it's me, Dave. There he is.
Exploring with me, Dave. Hello, everybody.
It's just out with Dave, as said today. Going on the better side of St. Helens. There is a good side to it somewhere.
Chuffed with that. That's just brilliant.
Try to keep this place kind of quiet because it's falling apart in it. So.
Is there? Were they the actual ovens, were they? Because they're down there at the bottom of the corner. There's glass stuck to the.
Yeah, it's
brickwork?
these tunnels were where they moulded the glass, where they got the glass to set. So at the bottom of them,
Yeah.
that brick here actually, you'll see piles of that sort of brick here. They would have used that to heat up.
Ah, right. Yeah.
It's not that exact brick, but there's a pile of bricks down one of these tunnels. That's what they would have used.
Yeah, I see it in that one there, or this one here. I think it was there.
Used that to get it all warm in here. There's a lot of little tunnels underneath to exchange heat from each little part of the furnace.
Ah, right.
I think it's called a bell furnace.
Bell furnace, yeah.
Some of the RSJs in here and stuff just.
It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah. Want to restore this place, but it'll take 50 years and about.
It would take a lot of money, yeah. I mean, it's.
It'd probably cost a good 10 grand just to clean up the floors.
They could actually replace the bricks, but well, not replace them, but clean the bricks that are there already up. That'd take a bit of time. Maybe get the community to do some local schools or something.
It's the thing, like, it's all health and safety gone mad these days, isn't it?
This is it, yeah. You can't do nothing nowadays, you know.
When that Saints ground was being built across the road, I'm sure Saints, the wicked, totally wicked, wants to turn this into a pub or renovate it into some sort of ground, like viewing ground for Saints games. But
where's that big round bit you can see, you know, you look down on Google Earth?
Oh, it's on top. That's the top part of the furnace. We're underground, so.
Oh, we're underground, yeah.
Yeah, so there's another 2 stories to this, 1, 2, 3, but you can't get on the 3rd story, it's all
down, yeah. Look at the old door. Wow. The old mechanism. Oh, this place is so good. Don't be in there.
There you go.
And you got light.
I've had to make it myself, like, but you get the idea.
Yeah. I mean, it's the rust in here is biblical, isn't it? It's, you scared, you know, I don't want to touch it on because it comes down.
No,
It's just like paper, isn't it?
Yeah. I think they shut down in the 60s, 62, 64, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
But since then, nothing's happened with it. It's just been. It's already a 300-year-old building then, wasn't it? So.
Yeah.
These doors here, you see, these are part of the bottle making process too. You can't even.
That's a big door, that, isn't it?
Yeah. The way it's stepped up, you go on.
Oh, it's stepped up, yeah. Oh, aye. Yeah, I see what you mean about your needles. There's needles in there.
What's that?
I said, I see what you mean about the needles.
Yeah. You just be very, very careful, head and feet.
Yeah.
If you look hard enough, you find tempting.
Oh,
Well, one of them will be dying for that. Leave it somewhere where they can see.
yeah, somebody might need it. But even the floor's brick, innit? It's
Yeah, that's what I love about this. When you find brick and cobble still on the floor.
Can you imagine it though, when it was all up and running, the heat in here must have been something else, right?
Humidity.
Yeah.
Would have been horrible in here.
I mean, the whole building to touch would have been hot.
It's all... The heating system, like, here you go. Under here. That's what all these little canals were for, all these vents.
Ah, the vents, yeah.
So, as you said at Rylands, it was a similar situation.
Similar, yeah.
Keep on heat through the building down there.
Right, in Helens, the tunnel actually like buckled out and then back in again, like a horseshoe shape.
There's a... I know a bit of history about that, but it means thinking. Some navvies, it was London or Brunel or something like that, who got that idea, going under the River Thames, build your bloody arches like an arch.
Yeah.
It's stronger in the centre or something.
I'll leave that there. Well, I'll leave it to get out with me and put it out here.
Well, yeah.
So I can grab it on the way out. I should have left it by the fence, really.
That's it, it's not, you know, it's just too dark these days, mate.
It's gone dark, it's getting dark, yeah.
So, we got more up here.
I'll leave that there.
I love how people have brought chairs over in the past few weeks, though.
Have a look there. Yeah, you can see the old wooden wood there, white wood. Maybe that was being an office at some point. Bathroom, tiles, kitchen, maybe. Wow, what are the old water tank? Yes. Yeah. Let's have a little look in. Wow. You're kidding. I'm going in there. My God. Look at that. Wow. I'll go down here. I have to be quick because there's all sorts of people looking at us from the car park. I don't think we're not too bothered. Look at that. Oh, the brickweg is up there, look. That brickweg up there. Look at it, it's just a big hole in the roof. Wow. You have to be a little bit careful with the walk. I've just been down here, that's that way. I've seen that cap from down there before. But this place. that just cracker? See the way it's like it's all like it's got all the beams going along here like that, and then you've got that big girder holding this up. So this all this brick bit here is actually in the middle of the main bit on the outside. This is the outside wall there, and then you've got that this bit here built on these big metal beams. Here it is. Thorns. Ow! Bloody thorn bushes. I was just thinking, how did he manage to get up here? Yeah, that's an ollie. The brickwork's fantastic, don't it? How they got it round, isn't it? And not only is it round over here, when you look up from here, the wall's not straight. It comes out, bends out like that. That's just something else. There's some photos around there.
Bloody shit. Looks like shit's funnel, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. It looks like it's, yeah. Ship's hull, yeah. What do you reckon them little thingies where they, like doors are, they've made somebody on this floor to look through?
I'm not sure how this would have been constructed, this part, because it looks like it's always been open for some reason.
Yeah.
There's a hole in ground there which I think's been there all the time. It's always been there to bring whatever's on the bottom floor up here.
Yeah. But them roofs, that you can see the wooden where the roof used to be as well, yeah.
Hooks up here too, I've only just noticed.
Oh yeah, there's hooks along there, yeah. What would they hang from then?
Some sort of crane or something, a winch up here.
See the hooks?
Looks like bloody butchers up stuff there. Go around the edges because you don't know where all these holes are.
Right everybody, as you can see, it's now getting dark, so we're going to head out. This is just absolutely great. I spent a good hour walking around here on my own, but we're in a bit of a rush because we're doing multi-hits. And there is the gap. Look at that. Isn't that just brilliant? Like that. And back out over there. Let's do it. What I'm going to do is come off camera now because there's a car park there outside behind us, so you don't want to be seen by anybody. I don't want my lights, got a pretty big light going. I'll see you at the next location. Right everybody, just a little update. We're pretty much done. We've seen a few places that we can do. We're going to come back next week and do a few because it's getting late now. We've been walking around for hours, so we've had a look at a few places that look very interesting. So I'm going to come back up next week. Do a few. There's loads of tunnels, loads of tunnels we can do. So I'm going to come back. I've got that little bit of the bottle place. I'll do for now. Like I say, you don't know until I come up. I'm out again in the morning anyway. I've got a place I'm going to do on my own. So I'll go up and give that a go tomorrow. We'll put this up, see what I've got. See what mess I've created. Bottle place was cracker. Love that. It was lashing down before as well. Big thank you to Lewis for inviting me up today. We've got to go up again, aren't we, mate?
Thanks for watching us too and following everything.
I'll put a link up for Lewis's FB page. Check his channel out, check his footage out, it's great. I've been watching it myself. I'll leave a link in the description below.
I do cover history, so like historical places on
Yes, historical places he does. He knows his stuff, he really does. So I'll go on and put this together for you. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment. Stay safe. I'll be out tomorrow, for sure. We're going to do a place up the road. Take it easy, and I will see you again very, very soon.